extremely important announcement for students who are going to appear the 12th standard examination in 2022, that is next year. So those who have passed 11th standard examination in current year and are right now studying that 12th standard and are going to appear in the 12th standard examination in 2022. If you are planning to go for CA course, you need to see this video, particularly if you are staying in city of Bhavnagar. First question arises is, why to do foundation right now? We are currently studying 12th standard. Why to pursue foundation right now? Here is the reason. You will be appearing in CA foundation examination in May 2022. And you will appear in your 12th standard examination in end of March 2022. So effectively you are having only 1 month, that is month of April, to study. And to study 4 subjects of CA foundation in 1 month is practically impossible. And you will have to delay your examination up till November 2022. So you will miss one attempt of May 2022. So it is good to start, or it is a right time to start. You are not early. People in metro cities have already started the learning of CA foundation. You should also start your learning of CA foundation. We at Lux Academy are announcing a batch which will be starting from 15th May 2021. This video is regarding this particular batch. We will be learning live on Zoom till the time this pandemic ends. But for you all, you are having tuition classes as well as schools of 12th standard. Your 95% of classes will be through Zoom. Date of commencement, as I told you, will be 15th May 2021. Subject that will be starting is mercantile law. That subject I am going to take. My name is CA Jay Pandya. Who can join? Student who have passed their 11th standard will be appearing for 12th standard examination in 2022, and they should be residing in Bhavnagar district. Why this is important? We will be having some offline classes which can be which will have to compulsory attend in classroom itself. How to join? A simple thing. You need to send your name, mobile number, and class. Class you need to write down 11th standard. It's all right. Try to understand, when you give me a message, write down in class 11th standard, not 12th standard. Write down 11th standard and send it to the mobile number which is shown in the screen. Timetable will be as follows. We'll be starting with mercantile law. We will be finishing it in 1 month, May and June. Then we'll be starting maths, logic, statistics, which will run in June and July. Economics and BCK will be running in July and August. And accountancy will be running in August and September. What will this particular course include for you? Coaching for all subjects, all academic related, class test, parents meeting, doubt solving lectures, problem solving lectures, class test. This all academic part will be included in this particular course. Next is all administrative work, like you need to do registration before 31st December 2021 of ICAI. That registration will be done from our administration office. Your exam form will be done from administration office. Even if you are filing it on your own, our admin staff will help you to file that particular form. Nauka Digital Institute app you will be getting at the end of the course. All right. So this particular is available free of cost to all our students. All recorded lectures of Naukar, which is a famous institute of CA course in Ahmedabad, you will be getting free of cost. As I told you, lectures will be recorded for you all. Most of the lectures will be through Zoom, and all the lectures will be taken live. Why our academy? We are having qualified, experienced and dedicated staff. That is dedicated team of faculties who are chartered accountants. There are faculties who are 100% involved only in lecture. World-class infrastructure, as you can see right now, online as well as offline. These classes are promoted, owned, managed, and taught even by chartered accountants. Our result in last 10 years is something like this. We have got 10 all India toppers. That is, we have got 10 all India ranks during this 10 years. We are having more than 60 qualified chartered accountants from our institute. Many of our students are in topmost position in industry, as well as they are successful chartered accountants. If any of the student or parents wants a personal Zoom meeting with me, we can arrange a personal Zoom meeting. You can just ask for a Zoom meeting on my WhatsApp number. Thank you all. Good day.